Supportahan niyo, ma'am, yung bagong leadership po.
May 13, di ba? Common sense, di ba? What's in the rules?
Yes.
What's in the Constitution? When you have 13,
Section 2.
yun lang. So pag hindi sumunod sa rules, doon lang naman kami may problema. Pero pag sumunod sa Constitution at sa rules, there's no problem. That's just how it is.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, may bago ng leadership? Okay na?
Yes.
You're okay with
We're
it?
here to work, of course. Yes.
Ma'am, so
Congratulations.
we're willing to work with the new majority for the, well, sa impeachment.
Oo naman. Of course. And for the institutions, so we must all work together. They have 13 votes.
Okay.
So we respect and appreciate and recognize the 13 votes to elect the officers of the Senate.
Ma'am, may allegations
Tama na ngayon.
Ma'am, may allegations of pressure from Malacanang. Ano ba yan?
Bakit akong tatanungin mo? Tanong mo yung mga pinipressure.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rule 2, Section 2. Alam ba niyo yon ng rules ng Senado? O what is it kung alam niyo? Rule 2, Section 2. The officers of the Senate will be elected by a majority of all ALL, its members.
24.
How many members are there in the Senate?
If you count Jinggoy,
How many members are there in the
24.
Senate? 24. Just answer me. What is half of 24?
12.
12. What is a majority? Is it half or
Plus 1.
okay, so 13. They elected 13 today.
Okay.
We recognize and appreciate and are grateful for that.
Does it moot the SC petition?
I'm not the Supreme Court, but it should not because the June 3 is a different issue. That was 12. You just answered my question. It's 13 today. Bye-bye.
In the Department of Foreign Affairs, namely
Congratulations. Full support naman. Okay, sure, we're ready to work. 13 na sila eh. Diba? Legal na.
President Ambassador to the Kingdom of
Majority rules. Yan naman talaga. This is democracy. Majority rules. Ako naman gusto kong magtrabaho noon pa. Actually wala akong absent sa first 6 years ko po sa Senado. Gusto ko makatrabaho tayo. Alang-alang na lang po sa mga kababayan natin.
Are you aware of Republic Act 11939?
Yes, sir.
Republic Act 11939 amended Republic Act 11709. You're familiar with that? Do you know why I am citing this particular law, General?
Yes, sir.
Why?
We are less than 1 year, sir.
Yes, you are correct. Section 2 of Republic Act 11709, which is now Section 1 of 11939, last paragraph, says that to be eligible for appointment or promotion to the grade of Brigadier General or Commodore O-07 or higher, except for positions under Sections 2A and 2B, the officer must have at least 1 year remaining of active service before compulsory retirement. And would you say that you lack at least 1 year remaining of active service before your compulsory retirement?
Yes, sir. We were ordered to come here, sir, and we are directed to appear before the commission appointments.
And so therefore, it only means that the five of you may no longer be eligible for reappointment in view of the prohibition under Section 1 of Republic Act 11939. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair. That I raised before this committee. I don't think we are in a position to violate an existing law. What I heard is an assumption that was passed on to the secretary of this commission. Somebody presumed that the appointment made last year is supposed to be continued. May I ask the secretary to explain that, if that assumption is correct? And if that assumption is enough to override the clear provision of the law? Because the law is the law. They have just reached their age of 56, and they were bypassed. That is a fact. We cannot change that fact, Mr. Chair. That is the only point that I'm trying to raise here. Kasi maliwanag po yung sinasabi naming batas. Wala po tayong personalan dito. I hope that these 5 officers, gusto ko rin naman sila. na mailagay natin sa tamang ayos ng kanilang confirmation. But there is a hurdle here. Ilang ang problema rito, Mr. Chair, kasi maliwanag po yung sinasabi ng batas.